bike is great. As you guys remember, the last time RB5K and I rode together, we went and rode Harley Davidsons. We went down to Orange County Harley Davidson and test rode a couple, but unfortunately, dude, we didn't really have that good of an experience. Since that video was published, Harley Davidson of Huntington Beach has reached out and invited us down. I don't know what they're gonna do for us. I don't know if anything, but they invited us out, said, come on down, we're gonna take care of you. So this is kind of a follow-up video from the last one.
I'm excited.
Sounds like we're gonna be riding Harley Davidsons today. I mean, yeah, after our last experience at OC Harley Davidson, it was just, I felt defeated. We didn't feel welcome. We just kind of, I don't know what it was, but the vibes were all wrong. I don't know. The owner came out. I didn't really care for her much either. It was a mess. I lost all faith in Harley. Like, I was just like, whatever. I don't care anymore anyway. But then Huntington Beach Harley Davidson reached out to me after they saw the video. They said, come on out to Huntington Beach Harley Davidson. They said they're one of the top 10 Harley Davidson dealers and they know how to treat a dude. So let me tell you why Randy's on the Triumph. See, normally Randy rides that really expensive Aprilia that y'all love. However, his bike's a little temperamental and decided didn't want to start. He ended up taking his Aprilia down to Metric Method. It's been down there for a few days, so we're actually going to go to Metric Method right now, get a quick update on it. I didn't put my feet down at all. That's a sick bike, dude. Let's get on the freeway. I haven't been to Metric Method in a bit, man. I like those guys. Let's go. So that'd be good to say hi to him. The bird's going quick. He's doing like 60 miles an hour. Birds can fly fast, dude. What kind of bird that was. When old meets new. Should I just ride the bike inside? Why else would you have the doors open?
How was you guys' Saturday morning ride or afternoon ride?
We just started it.
Take it easy, man. Alright,
see you guys. See ya. Okay. That thing's going places. It's cool. All right, 16 miles. Let's do it. On my way, Prius. I see you lurking back there. Every time I go under an overpass with people above me, I always assume somebody's gonna spit on me or throw something at me. Is that a fear that I share alone? Or do some of you guys also share that fear? Oh my God, there's Prius all over. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4, 5. I see 5, 6. It'd be a full-time job trying to count these stupid things. What's up with the traffic, man? It's like rush hour traffic, but it's Saturday. Wait, it's kind of a holiday, isn't it? Like Cinco de Mayo. Gentle Giant needs to get out of the carpool lane. That makes me mad when trucks are in the carpool lane. They're just too big. Unless it's like heavy traffic, they can't go fast enough to not impede on other drivers trying to capitalize on the carpool lane. That Prius has the hustle. Stay away from me, buddy. I see you over there. I see what's happening. G-Wagon, what up? Get out of here, Prius. You know the drill. Quit crowding me. Harley Davidson. Here we go. I can already tell you this is going to be a better experience. The band's a lot better.
I'm the one that's been messaging you through Instagram, but we're going to be closing the food down, so I didn't know, do you want me to like put some food aside for you guys, or you're good?
Oh, I'm good. Thank you.
Cool.
Hey, thank you so much.
Of course, thank you.
That was so nice. So, Ryan, you're going to be our tour guide today.
You ready?
I'm ready. Oh, this is going to be fun. We got to wear these cheesy ass orange vests, but dude, it's worth it. Whoa, this thing's quick. So Ryan's like, where do you want to go, man? Let's go for a little ride. I'm thinking like 3 miles like the other place. He's like, nah, dude, I'm going to take you on the journey. And I was like, I'm kind of hungry, Ryan. And he's like, well, let's eat. We'll stop. We'll get some food. He goes, well, what do you want to eat? I go, I don't know, Ryan. Take us to your favorite burrito spot. So we'll see where we go. We'll see. What bike is that?
Well, Ryder, this is what I have. So I'm really biased, and I say it's the best bike ever.
This is what you have for a personal bike.
Yeah.
How do you like working for Harley?
I love it.
Yeah?
It's been great.
Best day of work every day?
Oh, yeah.
There's not a lot of money in this industry, but as long as you got the passion, it's worth it, right?
Yeah, it's fun. Can't beat that.
Woo-hoo-hoo! This thing's quick! Oh man, I like this. I do like this. I mean, so far, right? I've never considered Harley Davidson as an option for me, but I don't know, dude. I could get behind this. This is cool. Okay, turning's a little off. Turning's weird. Jeez. This bike is great. Good job, Harley Davidson. Oh, this bike is cool. So this thing's like almost 1900 cc's. Right on. Fucking yank a house off its foundation. Lupes Taco Shop.
That's the spot right there.
I have a YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is based around like motorcycles and food, and I'm always seeking out the best burrito.
Yeah.
I've been here. Damn. No, that's good. Now I know we're all on the same page.
Right.
What's funny is, earlier, Randy goes, we should go to Lupes today.
Made our day. Perfect.
This thing's intense, man.
Yeah, it is.
Like, I was laughing while I was riding it. When's the last time you were like just laughing because you're on a motorcycle?
I think it's pretty cool, to be honest with you. It's the best Harley I've ever ridden.
Out of these two models, you'll choose this all day.
Yeah. It's my baby. There's just something about it. I don't know. All the customizations that I've seen have always made it look good. The FXDR is relatively new, so I haven't seen too many things with it.
All right, let's eat burritos.
Yeah, there we go.
My treat, Ryan. Get whatever you want. Lunch money. Huh. I've seen that car on TV, man. For sure.
When do you guys want to try this one? Oh, it's stuck in there.
So Randy Bear's gonna ride that one, huh?
Yep.
Dude, Lupes. This is the spot.
Yeah.
And you knew it.
Oh, yeah.
I knew we were in good hands when you took us here.
I was so bummed. I was really hoping you guys had no idea and I was going to blow your mind
Dude,
with something new.
we've been looking for a reason to come back here.
Right on.
What are we doing now?
Ride some more bikes and take a little cruise around town.
I like that.
Cool. Let's do it.
I like Ryan, man. If I was going to buy a Harley, I'd buy it from him. For sure. You should too. Yeah. I feel like I'm sitting on a slice of America right now. I'm very rapidly falling in love with this motorcycle. I don't even know how much it costs. I'll ask him at the light. I bet it's like 25 grand. We'll see. How much does this thing cost?
It's like 23, I think.
23?
Yeah.
Jeez. Worth it. You got the money, dude, right? If I have the money, maybe. Turning's a little scary. You'd get used to that shit though, wouldn't you? I wonder if it's got traction control. I bet it does. Does this thing have traction control? It doesn't? No traction control. Good. Randy loves that thing.
We'll find a little spot up here and you can click off and try that one.
Part of a crew now. It's like a motorcycle gang. The yellow vest, orange vest. Whoops, did I say yellow vest? Out of my way, Chris. The lowrider. How long have they been making this thing?
For a while. They just started recently. In the last few years, they switched it over to the Softail. So it's a new frame, new suspension, and newly designed. So before that, it was the Dyna, and they had it for a good minute. But just recently, newly designed.
All right, here we go. Whoa. All right, controls here are way different. Ryan, how much does this bike cost? 19,000? This is like a classic, right? I don't know. I'm really not into chrome myself, man. You know, I don't like chrome. I mean, this might be a cool bike, change the bars out like RB5K was saying, but I don't know. So far out of this bike or the other bike, I like the other one. Del Taco. Dude, they got that triple meat burrito, man. That thing is so good. Chicken, steak, and bacon. Amazing. I liked it. This was fun. Now we just got to find 25 G's. Yeah. And we're good. Yeah. I want to ride one of them Harley Davidson sport bikes when they're ready.
Tell them to give you a call when they come in.
Yeah. I keep hearing about them, but I've never seen one. All right, Ryan, thanks for taking us around, man. That was cool. Definitely. Dude, I really enjoyed this experience. Way better than the last time.
Way better.
Yeah, you guys are in there, Harley Davidsons. Find my man Ryan. Dude, take you out for a burrito.
whatever you guys want.
Right on. A while since I've ridden this bike. What a good experience that was. Wow. So apparently that dealership's second in the nation. I can only imagine how far down the line Orange County Harley Davidson is. This was kind of a fun video to make. I had fun today. I hope you guys did too. I'm curious, let me know in the comments section. Out of both those Harleys that I rode today, which one did you guys like best? I think it was the FXDR and the other one was the Lowrider. Out of those two bikes, which do you prefer and why? Did all kinds of stuff today. Rode the GSXR, rode the Triumph, rode two different Harleys. Dude, it was a full day. Had a burrito, went to Metric. Oh man, I'm blessed. All right, and on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video, be part of that notification squad. If you haven't yet, check out my dirt bike channel. We have lots of fun over there. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. T-shirts, hats, stickers, that sort of thing. Huge shout out to the patrons of the channel. You know I love each and every one of you. You guys keep me motivated. I tell you that all the time, but I can't say it enough. I do appreciate you. Don't forget to support the channel partners. Remember, they can spend their ad dollars any way they want. They choose to support Suburban Delinquent. We got Chaparral Motorsports keeping the bikes on the road. We got the law offices of Haddad keeping me out of trouble. Voss Helmets keeping me safe. LUIMOTO keeping me comfortable. If you guys are in the market for any of their services or products, just consider them first. That's all I ask. Links in the description of the video for everything. And I'll see you guys next week. Later.
Anyone who's out there who's thinking about getting into it or is into it and just doesn't know where to start, come by. You know, we do test rides all day, every day. We're open 7 days a week, so anybody who wants to come by is more than welcome, and we make it easy, safe, and fun.
Everyone's going to come see you, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to take everybody out for a burrito?
Yeah. We'll see. Whoever wants burritos.
Lupes!
Might switch it up and go for a burger.